This is a 6-inch shell. Right here you have your cone, which holds your lift charge, which will propel the shell up into the air. Inside here, there's also 2 fuses, time delay fuses. Once those fuses are burned, as it's going up in the air, up to 600 feet, gets to that certain point, this will break, and you have little balls, other compounds inside the shell here that will explode and give you the color and all. And as you can see, there's 2 little tails on this as it goes up. And they all vary from 6-inch to 3-inch to 2.5-inch shells.